The roles of Buddhism. Buddhism has been one of the religion in people's hearts in Cambodia since Angkor time. Buddhism plays the important roles in our country. The first thing is that Buddhism educated people to be kind and helpful. Moreover, Buddhism teaches people to be good and not ambitious, so people have good heart, which are really important in keeping peace in the country. As a result, we can develop our country to be rich. Furthermore, Buddhism always tell the people bad result they receive when they commit sins. They will get bad result either in the present time or after life. The most popular theory of the Buddha is that goodness bring good result, sins bring bad result. This theory frightens people to commit sins and make people to do good thing in their lives. The important point is that Buddhism is an identify of our culture. All in all, Buddhism is ours. So we have to believe and look after Buddhism, and we have to build pagodas.